Some of the supplies we're going to need are acrylic paint. We're going to need some water, some mixing bowls, and pine cones. And then I have paper towels as a backup. Before you begin, please make sure that your pine cones are free of any sap or foreign materials such as insects or pine needles. There's actually an entire process on how to prepare pine cones to use in crafts. We do not review that during today's video, but we are going to show you how simple it is to take your pine cones to a whole new level and add to your craft project. So let's get started. So to begin with, we're going to take our acrylic paint. I'm using white paint. However, buttermilk is also a nice choice as well. It's a little off-white, so it's not quite as bright white. So we're going to take our paint and we're going to mix that in one of our mixing bowls with our water. So you're going to use 2 parts of paint and 1 part water. So we're just going to simply dip the pine cone into our paint mixture. And for obvious reasons, gloves are recommended. And make sure that we saturate this all the way down to the center of each pine cone. So if your bowl is not deep enough, you can go back and pour a little paint in the center. And of course, you can use as little or as much paint as you desire. You can also add a little shine to your pine cone by adding some glitter while your paint is still wet. You can find glitter at Dollar Tree, Walmart, in all sorts of colors and shapes and sizes. Just have fun with it, y'all. You can also take a dry pine cone and add spray adhesive or Mod Podge to it to attach glitter. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with your pine cones. Have fun!